Hello tubes. Today been working on our 73 1-ton Chevy. Turn signals didn't work, and I am not about to take that all apart to fix that. So I come up with a solution. I got me two toggle switches, and under the dash I got me two flashers. One flasher for the left side, one flasher for the right side. Outside, we had to put us an extra set of lights, which is always cool, the square ones, because if you hook them into your other lights, you won't have brake lights. Your brake lights won't work with them. But I'll show you. You got to turn the key on the way I got it wired. There's a left turn signal. And then there's the right turn signal. Anyway, that's a redneck solution. Anyway, have a good day.